2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax showing two-owner car, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. Just a little over 48,700 is all in this one. 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of hood, functional shaker hood, and quite a few cues on this car that harken back to the original Mach 1. One of them being that larger flat black chin spoiler down below, and of course the flat black stripe over the hood. Torch red, dark charcoal interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Mach 1 wheels, and it has a custom set in the back, a little wider wheel. I can't say that I've seen one of these with that set of wheels on it before. It looks absolutely great. And as you can see, tinted side glass also, so know your local and state laws as far as amount of window tint or the percentage of window tint that you can have on there. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. I did notice there are a few little touch-up spots on the hood, and I can kind of show you those when we get around back to the front, point those out. But overall, nice looking car. Paint shows well. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Then you can see there, you can see that little deeper dish wheel with that lip on the front edge of it. There's that flat black rear spoiler. Of course, the Mach 1 badging. I see Borla exhaust tips on this one. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Look at that shaker system. Of course, Jason will take it for a drive at the very end and show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And again, still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, all can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. But like I said, if you like Mustangs, go into our YouTube channel, subscribe, and even go back and look at some of the past videos. Some very nice and even rare, in occasion, Mustangs that will be in the video files on there. That's our YouTube channel. Check it out. Let's take a little closer peek at this interior. Again, the dark charcoal interior. Modern amenities that you're going to have on a later model Mustang. Power windows and locks, mirrors. You'd have a power seat over here in the driver's side. Of course, the Mach 1 seating. Leather seats. Not much wear. You can see a little bit on the bolster down there. Of course, the steering wheel controls for your cruise control. A little different dash in the Mach 1s, as you can also see. Grab the key here a second. Key fob included with it. And this one sounds good. There it is, 48,738. No check engine lights, service engine soons, anything like that. Just seat belt indicator, I should put it on. That was a cold start. Wouldn't expect temp to be up. Other gauge is working, including that tack. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds, no doubt. Stereo also working. Probably do the station here. Let's do this. There's one.
Learn more. Old Man Winter is just around the corner.
6 CD changer. Does have the Mach audio system. Again, dash looking good. 'Cause 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 surprises on this one. Slip around in the back so you can hear it run. And obviously under throttle, this one's going to have a little bit of bark to it. What's that? 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8 engine. It's actually produced for the Cobras a little earlier on. And considering 2003, pretty powerful engine, 305 horsepower, 320 pound-feet of torque. I wanted to point out a few of those touch-up spots. They're kind of tough to get to show up, but just a few little, there's been a pebble chip or a rock chip until a previous owner cared for this car and touched those up. Let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. Remember, stick around to the very end. You can see how this car goes down the road. And there it is. Again, that functioning shaker hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Dual overhead cam, 32 valve. Dual bore, 57 millimeter throttle body sitting on there. Nice setup. Looks good, nice and tidy. Be a fun car. Well cared for Mustang, clean Carfax, showing 2 owners, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Call us. 2003 Mustang Mach 1 Coupe, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This car has quite the exhaust sound. I really like it. This is a 5-speed manual. The AC blows cold. Stereo's working good.
That correctly. No payments due at some.
A little bit of traffic once again. Love that shaker hood sticking out. Let's see how she does on the highway. When we get to the roundabout, I'll put the window down and let you hear that a little more clearly. It sounds great. The fuel gauge is a little under half. Temperature gauge is just coming up to about a quarter. Oil pressure is over half, and so is the battery, so that's all looking good. Really good condition inside this car. Kind of a throwback style to the Mustangs of old, the Mach 1s. Stitching in the seat reminds me of those cars. Nice feel, very responsive, firm on the road, just what you want for performance. I'll put that window down. We'll go to second for the traffic circle. Corners nicely. It just sounds good. It makes you want to keep playing with it. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang Mach 1 at UniqueClassicCars.com.